And here you go, guys, the free diamonds are here in my matching story game. I'm gonna put my finger above so you can see this is for real. Yo, 900k free diamonds in matching story game. This is not any cheat, guys. This is possible for real thanks to our great sponsors who offered us a method to get them for free. Alright, I'm gonna make sure my power saving mode is turned off. Here I'm gonna enable and disable it again just to be sure about that. Then I wanna show you guys my matching story game, and here's the situation before trying anything. Please make sure you tap on your profile icon and check again your username because we're gonna use it later. Firstly, I'm opening my browser and go to ontwig.com, make sure it's the .com one, then I search for the matching story game to find it easier in the list. Here I'm entering my username, then I select Android, and of course I'm gonna go with the max value of diamonds, which is 900k in our case. As I've already mentioned, guys, these matching story diamonds are given by some awesome sponsors and they require you to do an additional step in order to receive them. But don't worry about it because this step is very easy and it generally takes you a few minutes of your time depending on your country, of course. Now let's go back to our game and see what happened. And here you go, guys, the free diamonds are here in my matching story game. I'm gonna put my finger above so you can see this is for real. I hope you also enjoyed this method, guys. Please don't forget to smash that like button and even hit the subscribe one if you wish. Hope you all have a great day.